Mega cap tech getting slammed in the past year. Meta down 60%, Amazon down 42%, but all perking up in January. Will earnings help these stocks regain the market's leadership, or has that ship sailed? Here to discuss is Mark Mahaney, head of internet research at Evercore ISI, and Ari Levy is deputy tech editor for CNBC.com. Welcome to all of you. Mark, did I hear correctly? You think these stocks could be going to new highs this year, or am I can't believe that you would think that.
Well, please don't be so skeptical. Look, we try to be tactically constructive going into the year. Multiples have been de-risked, estimates have been de-risked, and we've seen a lot of cost actions, i.e. RIFs, i.e. reduction in forces, job cuts. That at least creates the ability for these companies to have a little bit of an EPS slingshot opportunity. But we want to be tactical. We want to look for companies that are somewhat recession resilient, maybe have a new product cycle and have already taken costs out. That puts Netflix at the top of the list for us. I think this new basic with ads, this new ad-supported offering is the real deal. I think it'll impact and cause a reacceleration in revenue growth. I don't think that's in street numbers or in the stock price. I also like Uber. I think that business model, the demand for it kind of holds up. We all still have to commute. And then I also like Meta. And I think advertising headwinds are going to be real this year. I just think street numbers have been lowered enough, and the company has taken a major RIF for reduction in force action. And the valuation, I think, is super attractive. I think the risk reward is very asymmetrical. So, yeah, I think some of the internet stocks can outperform the market this year, and it's those to get to the top of my list.
You're sort of the yin to the yang of what Aswath Damodaran told us, and Ari, I'll turn to you. Aswath said he would actually be a buyer or a holder, really, of most mega cap tech except Netflix because of some of the streaming economics that were referenced in the previous segment. So, that tells you that there's enough dispersion that the stock's going to do something interesting. What would you say about the rest of mega cap tech, Ari?
Yeah, I mean, it's really, these stories are all pretty disparate, right? I mean, Meta and Amazon are the two I'm looking at the most closely because they were the two of the mega cap ones that were hit the hardest last year. I'm really wondering, if they're going to give us any indication that the bleeding has stopped, that they've hit a bottom, that there's something to look forward to in the second half, because the first half looks quite bleak. If you think about that Meta, the struggle, it was really the biggest story of 2022 until the Elon Twitter saga hit and the crypto meltdown. As Mark said, they've cut a bunch of the fat through layoffs, so the EPS should show some recovery, but there's still no real growth there. The company's been shrinking for several quarters, and this is a company that's always been thought of as a growth company. So until there's some momentum, it's just hard to imagine investors getting really excited about the story.
Sure.
And then Amazon is mired in the single-digit growth, and e-commerce is a huge question mark across the board, and they have these huge questions in their third-party marketplace where sellers are really just disconcerted with the way that Amazon has been treating them, raising prices on them, and limiting their storage capacity. So those are the two stories that I'm really most anxious to hear from, the companies I'm most anxious to hear from.
And Mark, to your point,